Good job. You helping Cece make some Christmas cookies?
Yes. She's doing good.
Yummy.
Okay, well, let's do sprinkles. Now we have to, here, wait a minute.
Oh, boy.
She wants to go ahead. You want to eat that one? Okay, you want sprinkles on it?
Let's put some sprinkles on those
Sprinkles?
cookies.
Here, go shake some sprinkles out.
Wow.
Here, let's put a little more icing on this one and yours. Okay, now put sprinkles on it. Okay, here you go. Sprinkle. Here you go. No, you got to shake the sprinkles.
Good job.
Good job, Kay.
All right. That looks yummy, Cece.
Yeah, it does.
Is it good? Gotta try it out, Mama.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Is that a good cookie?
Yummy?
Mmm.
Yeah. See, we want some sprinkles too. Is it good? She's like, oh, that's good, Mommy. Okay, you want to do it again? Okay, all right, you mean. Ready? Squeeze. Squeeze again. Okay.
Those look like yummy cookies, Kate.
You gonna ask Dad, Mom and Daddy if they want one?
Ooh, yeah, I want a Kate and Cece cookie.
So does Pee-wee. He's like, drop me a piece.
There he is.
Okay, Daddy. Give this one to Mommy.
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 Thank you.
Okay. Which
Yummy.
one is Daddy's? Give Daddy
Which
a
one of those
cookie.
cookies is Daddy's?
Give Daddy a cookie.
Oh, that one?
Oh,
Oh,
that
thanks.